Hi, I'm Matt Carr, Field Service Manager here at Torn Drive International. These are the tools you're going to need to change the bearings in the TPM1 machine. A 15-ton hydraulic jack, 4 pieces of M10 all thread, cut about 20 inches long, a rubber mallet, a shop hammer, a brass punch, flathead screwdriver, 4mm Allen wrench, 6mm Allen wrench, 6mm Allen socket, an extension, a ratchet, a 24mm socket, pull handle, file, 18mm wrench, 36mm wrench, snap ring pliers, M10 bolt, about 4 inches long, 3 pieces of M12 all thread, and the special tools you can get from us here at Torn Drive International. 1 piece of M20 all thread with 2 M20 nuts and EP2 grease. Using the 4mm Allen wrench, remove the encoder housing. Using the 6mm Allen socket, the extension, and the ratchet, loosen the bolts and remove them from the rear bearing housing. Using 2 of the bolts as jack screws, press the bearing housing off of the bearing. Again, using the 6mm Allen socket, the extension, and the ratchet, remove the center sheave cover from the machine. Install the 4 pieces of M10 all thread into the sheave threaded holes. Install the back plate onto the threaded rod and then M10 nuts. Install the jack so that everything is square against the back plate and then lock down with the nuts. Use the jack to press the shaft out of the machine. Remove the shaft from the machine. Using the snap ring pliers, remove the snap ring that holds the bearing in position. Install the special tool where the rear bearing housing was. Install the 2 jack bolts by hand into the special tools. Secure the rotor so that it will not fall. We did this with a special mounting bracket. Attach a chain hoist to the rotor. This will secure it. Using a ratchet and a 24mm socket, a 24mm wrench, and another person, press the rotor out of the machine. Using the 6mm Allen wrench, remove the retaining ring for the bearing. Using a hammer and the brass punch, remove the final bearing.